Welding and mining operators training jobs & stand a chance to get a discount of 10% or forklift training for free. Mulani Training School. Call +27 73 158 2436. We offer this courses +2 77 31 58 2436. Asterisk forklift 5 days, asterisk bobcat 5 days, asterisk TLB 10 days, asterisk excavator 10 days, asterisk front end loader 10 days, asterisk mobile crane up to 100 TNES 10 days, asterisk grader 10 days, asterisk roller 10 days, asterisk dump truck at 10 days, asterisk tower crane 10 days, asterisk overhead crane 10 days, asterisk bulldozer 10 days, asterisk safety lifting / rigging 10 days, asterisk arc welding 30 days, asterisk CO2 welding 30 days. Underground mining machinery asterisk loader haul dumper scoop 10 days, asterisk drill rig tamrock 10 days, asterisk rock drill operator 10 days, asterisk utility vehicle of 10 days, asterisk water truck 10 days, asterisk boiler making 30 days. Job assistance guaranteed. We train you theory & practical. After training call us 0731 582436. We issue a certificate & license. Accommodation free, easy payments. Register at any time. Self-catering. Bring 1 blanket -1 ID copy to 1D photos and CV. Study from home. We are working with different mining & construction companies. We are registered in accordance with the Occupation Healthy & Safety Act 85 1993. Contact +2 77 315 82436. Our branches: Germiston, Johannesburg. +2 77 31 582 436. Mulani Operators Training School. A dump truck, excavator, TLB, mobile crane, tower crane, front end loader in Germiston, Johannesburg. Students from Sasolburg, Kimberley, Polokwane, Zambia, Namibia, Angola, Mozambique.